name is Double Standard. Now start.
When I wake up late, I am very, very lazy. When you wake up late, the alarm gets crazy. When I say no to something, I am being stubborn. When you say no to something, you are being stubborn. When I wake up, my voice is shocking and rude. When you wake up, my voice is reaching me. When I say something, I am being careless. When you say something,
नमस्कार, मी जिल्हा परिषद प्राथमिक शाळा व उच्च प्राथमिक शाळा वडाळा भैरोबा या शाळेमधील इयत्ता 7वीची विद्यार्थी. आमच्या शाळेमध्ये इंग्रजीतील रीडिंग, रायटिंग, स्पीकिंग, गेम्स, पझल्स, पोएम सिंगिंग, न्यूजपेपर रीडिंग, ग्रामर यांसारख्या ॲक्टिव्हिटी होतात. म्हणूनच म्हणते की आपल्या मुलाला या शाळेत दाखल करा.
going to school. Morning light spreads over the earth. Once again the sky goes red. For children are going to school. The sun after his morning dip in the river. Rays of in his golden muslin turban.